How to log out of Messenger Lite. So if you want to log out of Messenger Lite, then first of all you have to open up your Messenger Lite, and after opening you can go to the upper left corner which has the 3-barred icon, and then you can go to settings which is on the upper right corner. And now if you scroll down, here you can see you will have switch account option, but you don't have log out option. So if you want to log out of your Messenger Lite, then go back and you have to open your phone settings, and after opening your phone settings, scroll down and open up your apps, and now choose Messenger application. And after opening your Messenger on your settings, you have to tap on force stop, and then you can tap on OK. And after that, here you will have storage and cache option. Simply tap on that, and then you have to clear your cache. You have to tap on clear storage, and you have to tap on delete. And after deleting, your Messenger will be logged out of your Messenger Lite application. So that's it. That's the only way to log out of your Messenger Lite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.